Hello everyone. Let's start the weekly forecast now. Right, so let's have a quick look at monthly now. You see the next month starting on the previous month close with the no top week. Nothing much to do with this one. Can't say anything about this one now, but we were more clear on a weekly time frame compared to the monthly. If you look at the weekly time frame, we mentioned last week, once we close like this, even a week before, we confirm we close bullish. Now there's a very high chance we're going to fill this week now. So this is exactly the start of the thing happened. So we should expect to push this up, but it didn't happen. Week before we close in the no top week is a 50-50. We could potentially push up now. Well, maybe could come back down because no top weeks is the issue now. But last week we see the market did pushed up on Friday, which is very decent, pushed up on the top side happened. So now we will expect this market continue pushing up towards to touching the all-time high, and especially with the fundamental goes on in the Middle East. We can expect this market should be open with a gap up anyway, and then we can expect this market continue pushing towards the top side now. Looking at daily now, daily we've seen in the daily confirm the bullish move around this area because the candle before which was closed was this one. It is confirming the bullish, but the top wick is way bigger than our liking. So we would look to see the top wick should have closed something like market should have closed something like this, and then we can say like okay, anytime if I'm the lower wick soon start taking out, we should expect this market to continue pushing up towards side. Now this is a key factor in this area now. If we taken this out, in this case we did took it out, so now on a daily time frame we will be keep pushing it towards the top side, but we might see a pullback first. But again, the way the fundamentals and every single thing goes on, I don't expect like it's gonna be lower. We'll expect the market should be open with a gap up, and we're gonna continue pushing towards the top side, something like this now. So the daily is confirmed bullish. There's no doubt in and out. The daily should expecting to push all the way to the top side, which is gonna be retesting the resistance around here, and then we can see hopefully most likely the candle this candle gonna be continue shooting towards the top side now, retesting the all-time high around this resistance level, and then fill this wick right at the top now. Again, these are the technicals now. We try our best to go for what the candles and every single thing says, but once the fundamental hit the market, these technical literally going out of the window and the market gonna start. So most likely I will be looking at a pullback and try to look for keep buying this pain rather than I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna ignore the sell, very high chances, but I will be buying it in every single pullback, not every single, like majority of the pullback. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour took the high out as well. Now the 4 hour move a lot now, so the 4 hour need a pullback. So in normal circumstances, we will be expecting okay, the market is opening now. Let's see the market gonna start pullback now, and let's see we can find the support around. And then this is a retest coming around here, and let's see okay, let's see if we can find the support around here, and that's it. This is our chance to take the opportunity to buy, and especially 4 hour time frame, we will expect this market to retest the high. If it break, then we can expect it. We're gonna extend ourselves to continue pushing on the top side now. So obviously, but again, this is market top close with the no top wick. So normal circumstances, this is the sign. It's a 50-50. The next candle could go down like as a bearish candle, or the next candle could go up as a bullish candle as well. So it depends on how the market gonna open. Again, what will happen over the weekend, it definitely gonna affect big time now because gold probably the safe haven and try to move forward towards all-time high. The 4 hour time frame, we can see we have a breakout happen. The 4 hour possibly looking for the pullback now. Anytime pullback happen, find the support, and I'm ready to buy. And then we got the some clean rate on the top side, which is 5400, so which is like 1300 pips, 1300 pips away. So this is a way I'm potentially targeting, and then gonna continue pushing to it. Since the weekly is kind of bullish now, daily bullish now, 4 hour bullish, we need some sort of a pullback before we jump on this market now. Look at the 30-minute time frame. Markets keep pushing upside now. We find the impulse, continue pushing upside now. But one of the key factor, we had the trade available on last Friday, which was in term around here after the breakout, market find this candle impulse in a trend. Well, the only problem is every single movement is happened in the first minute of the candle, so we have to let this market go. That was around 500 pip move happen and this half an hour candle. As long as the rule did not met the criteria, I cannot do anything. We want proper wick to be formed, and then we want not happen in the first few minutes because the very high chance is going to keep pushing down. I don't want to see the market just trigger me as a buy, and then we will see, okay, you know what? This is the buy market trigger me, and then we can see, boom, we're going to come back around here. Then I'm happy to reject around here, and then I'm potentially looking for the buy opportunities. If not, close below, I would have looked for the sell. But again, that was a perfect opportunity for look go for a long buy position on here. The wick is fine. I have no issue with this candle. I got no issue with the lower wick, but the only problems happen in the first 30 or second, which is concerning for me now. So we have to let this trade go now. 15 minutes, copy paste, nothing really here. 15-minute try, manage to close above, which is normal circumstances. We have the setup for it now. So we have this resistance level. We take it out. We find the bearish candle. So we know anytime we find the support, we're going to take it. And then this candle confirm the continuation, manage to close above the previous candle, above the resistance, and we can expect to go up. Same old story. Never happened in the first 30 second market. No fancy to take it, and then market move it. There's nothing to worry. Market is still here. We'll find plenty of the opportunities, and then we will see. There's some loads of the fundamentals goes on. If we look in term of fundamental now, so we got quite a few news coming on, I believe, next week. Especially we are regarding to USD now. So these are the most concerning news for us now, rather than something else now. So if we look in terms of the news now, we have next week lining up now. Yeah. So the next week we are lining up now. USD ADP coming on, and most likely non from, yeah, NFP coming as well now. So that is something coming on. And the next week, but before this, the big impact on the market is the happening in the Middle East now. This is the biggest thing. Like anything goes on, everyone got a different perspective, the way the market move, but still believe, especially this time of the market, the way these things happening, this is like we're trading someone like alive now. I mean, it is something Fed Powell like is talking, and the market gonna move on his words now. So exactly, this is a live same circumstances. Market gonna react it what exactly goes on. We most like to see the oil prices will be shooting up because of the close on one of the area in the Middle East now. So we will see some oil prices different gaps and coming on now. So news wise, we are okay, not bad in terms of what we're coming on. We only got like say we got this news coming on Monday, which is tomorrow coming on, which is not an issue, and then we got some multiple coming on Wednesday. There's one on Thursday, and then multiple coming on Friday now. But we are good to go now. But Tuesday is absolutely fine. Monday, even with London session, there's nothing happening for the Monday session in the London Open, so we are good to go for the London session anyway. So let's see how this market gonna shape up now. Most likely, heavy chances we will see a heavy gap, and very high chance we will see the gap upside now. So we'll see you tomorrow live for the London session. Till then, see you soon.